Hello, good evening everyone. Tonight we're having a video testimonial of one of our patients who had surgery here in Bangkok, Thailand. So I want to introduce you to Beverley. Hi Bev.
Hi lovely, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great.
Alright, my first question would be, why did you choose to do the surgery here in Bangkok?
Well, first of all, cost. It is unaffordable in Australia. And also I googled Bumrungrad hospital and global health travel, and it had very good reviews, and I was extremely happy with the hospital and what I'd read about it. So I followed it up with Sarah, my case manager in Australia, and started the wheels in motion.
Oh, that was quite smooth. So you booked through Global Health Travel. So you knew Global Health Travel through the internet?
Yes, I googled it.
Alright. So what are the procedure you had done?
I had a half facelift, lower facelift, and upper eyelid lift.
Okay. Who is your doctor?
Dr. Montien.
Alright. And how do you find him?
Oh, he's lovely. He's really good, he's very helpful, he's very gentle, he's very thorough, and extremely prompt. I remember when I was, my operation was supposed to be done at 3 o'clock, and I remember I was in the surgery and I'm looking up at the clock on the wall before I went out like a light, and it was 2 minutes to 3, and I thought, wow, this is really prompt, it's really accurate schedule.
Well, well, that's good to know. Well, are you satisfied with the service you got?
Oh, extremely. Yeah, I'd highly recommend it.
Well, can you share to us what you felt before and after the consult and surgery?
I'm not quite sure what you mean by that question.
Well, can you share to us what is your experience before the consult, like the process after the consult, before the surgery and after the surgery?
Well,
can you describe it in a very brief manner?
Well, before the consult, I tried not to dwell too much on what I was going to do.
Yeah.
Undergo a facelift to keep myself nice and calm.
Yeah.
After speaking to my doctor, I felt extremely relaxed and confident that things would go well. And after the surgery, I'm extremely happy with how it's turned out.
Well, I can see it, and you look really good. So I'm really happy for you too. So how do you feel now that you have stayed, with us for 14 days, and you've been how many days post-op now? So how do you feel now?
I feel great. I have still a little bit of numbness, which is expected after a face surgery or a facelift, but I can function fine. There's actually no pain with a facelift. It's just a numbness, but there's no actual pain, so I'm really happy with it.
Oh,
really
good.
happy.
So what can you say about Bumrungrad International Hospital, its facilities and staff?
Excellent. I think if you're a woman, it's like a candy shop. There's so many things there that you can have done that are so cheap.
Yeah.
It's like you can go crazy. I'm going to come back hopefully in 6 months and have some more surgery. I'm going to get my nose done. And my room, I got upgraded for my room at the hospital to a deluxe room, and it was massive. It's bigger than my whole apartment. It was huge. I couldn't believe the size of it. It was beautiful. Facilities are spotless. Nurses are lovely. No, it was great.
Oh, I think I would totally agree with that. But you had a very nice description of the hospital. Well, you stayed in the recovery apartments, the circle apartments of Global Health Travel. So how's the accommodation?
Excellent, excellent. My Global Health Travel nurses, lovely, and April, and I've got Sugar, that they take wonderful care of everyone. They April and Lovely take care of all your wounds and nurse you back to good health.
Yeah.
Sugar does everything you need. All of them. Without them, you couldn't survive.
Aww.
You couldn't survive without them. You need to have someone looking after you when you're going overseas, I think, for medical care.
Thank you
treatment.
for that. Would you recommend it to others and for the future patients who's interested to come over here?
Most definitely. I'd highly recommend it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So can you, I know you have already said it, but feedbacks about the Global Health Travel Patient Care Team? There any bad sides and good sides?
I didn't have any bad experiences, so I can't say anything bad. Okay?
Yeah.
Like, everything was just great. When you're travelling overseas for medical treatment, everyone's very sceptical. But honestly, I've got nothing but praise for the whole procedure and the accommodation and the way I was treated. It was fantastic.
All right. Thank you. Will you advise anyone to go here in Bangkok to have elective surgery?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
What are the tips you can share to all the people who are planning to come over for the same purpose?
Be confident that you're going to be well and truly looked after. The doctors are excellent, so just come over and try and relax and have a good time, and you'll have a wonderful time and recover well.
All right. Well, for the last question, will you recommend Global Health Travel to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Bev, for this opportunity to interview you. And, you know, this would be a great help to all ladies out there who'll be planning to have some, you know, surgery done overseas. So thank you so much. Tomorrow you'll be flying home. So in behalf of the Global Health Travel team, we wish you a speedy recovery.
Thank you.
And we will see you in 6 months.
Yes, you will. You will see me in 6 months.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Global Health Travel.
Bye-bye.